Consider the following cadential progression from 4/6 to 5. In order to point more strongly toward the dominant, composers sometimes raise scale degree 4, creating an augmented sixth between it and the bass. This interval between flat 6 and sharp 4 serves as the foundation of a category of predominant sonorities known collectively as augmented sixth chords, which typically resolve to the dominant. Augmented sixth chords come in three related varieties, each of which contains scale degrees flat 6, sharp 4, and 1. The Italian 6/3 contains exactly these notes with a doubled tonic. The French 4/3 contains these notes plus scale degree 2. And the German 6/5 contains these notes plus scale degree 3. Both flat 6 and sharp 4 have a strong tendency to resolve to scale degree 5. Flat 6 moves down by step, and sharp 4 moves up by step, resolving together to an octave. The other scale degrees move parsimoniously to the ensuing 5 chords' remaining notes. Moving directly to 5 from the German 6th creates parallel fifths. To avoid this voice-leading issue, composers typically insert an intervening cadential 6/4. In addition to serving predominant function in a cadential progression, augmented sixth chords can also be used to embellish an ongoing dominant pedal, like this.